Today I want to talk about this. This is the key fob for a Nissan Rogue. This is the third generation made from 2021 up to 2025. And then the new generation takes over in 2026. So this is the key fob. It's a 5-button key fob, and there's a few things I learned as I use this. So one, if you want to use this top button, the car has to be locked. So we're going to lock it, and then if you want to do the remote start, then you press and hold. So you have to be locked to activate the remote start. So lock it, then press and hold, and then press and hold again. You can shut it off. So that's how the remote start works. Then we go to our lock function. You know, this is like a normal key fob, but we can unlock and lock. One thing I found out is if you want it to lock without the horn going off, there's a setting in the car you can set, but there's also this. If you press both buttons at the same time, it'll lock without the horn going off. If you want to open the trunk, press and hold, and the trunk will open, as you can see there. Then we have our panic button. So, well, actually, let's close the trunk there. Then you have your panic button, which is going to make the horn go off and go beep, 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 beep. Then the last thing is the emergency key. So if the battery goes dead, this can go in the driver's side, and you have a way of getting in the car with a dead battery, either a dead battery in your key fob or the vehicle itself. So let's jump in real quick. I want to show you a quick where it is in the menu to make those adjustments for the key fob. So when you start the car, you're going to see a screen like this. If we come over to our control here, we can cycle through the different settings. If you go all the way to the gear wheel, then this is a scroll wheel and a button. You go into the menu, then you use the scroll wheel to go down to vehicle settings. Then you press the scroll wheel, and you end up, actually, let's go back one, vehicle settings. Yep, there we are. So you can set all of these things for the key fob, what you want it to do. So you can go in, I'm not gonna go through everything, but you can adjust lighting. And then if you wanna go back, that's this button here. This sets you back, but this can go through, you can go through and adjust the different settings. Like, there's a ton of stuff here. If you want to approach the vehicle and have it automatically unlock or lock or unlock, you can set that here. You can turn it on or off. So yeah, there are some of the settings, and that's how you use the key fob on a Nissan Rogue. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time.